Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun video. Today we're gonna be cutting this is a Stanley Nail Claw, and it's for pulling nails. Don't think I'm gonna be pulling any nails, so I'm gonna take this nice thick piece of metal, cut it here, and make a punch out of it. This way, I have a nice thick long one. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna get rid of this tip here, because I don't think I'm gonna be pulling no nails. So what I'll do, put it here in the vise. Lock it in the vise. Pull on it a little bit. Don't strain yourself. Pull the muscle. Take the hammer and tap it. That's an old trade school tip. Then we're gonna take nice, good impact gloves, mechanic gloves. Put them on, and then we're gonna be using the tool for the day is this Hyper Tough angle grinder. As you can see, I got the handle on it now. I went away and put the handle on it. We're gonna be using these Black & Decker cutting wheels on it. We're gonna see if we can cut this thing, man. Oh yeah, and another tip I got for y'all. If you don't have the wrench to unlock the wheel and lock the wheel on, you can always use these boys. You understand? You just stick them right there in the hole, cross from each other like that. Put your finger back there on the lock button, hold it in place and turn it, and take your disc off or put it on, however you want to do it. So if you don't have the wrench, remember, you can use needle nose, as long as they're big enough. Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing cut. It's digging into it. It's digging into it. Just gotta keep cutting. Tan my ass up. It's almost. It's getting there. This fucking thing is still tough as hell, man. Got it off. This thick ass piece. Got the whole claw off. See what I'm saying? We cut it off. Now I can make my center punch. So now we got this. And we can just grind it down. You see what I'm saying? We can just grind this down. So thanks for watching part 2 video. I'll be grinding it down. Y'all know my slogan, subscribe, keep me alive.